Hey, what's up, guys? This is Randy here with Rolling Motors. I got a guy coming to install a brand new pool table inside of my office, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I think this video is gonna be pretty dope. Let's get it, baby.
Bandana Billiards, installing pool tables, reclothing, new cushions, balls, cues, you name it, man. I'll set you up with it.
Alright, guys, so here it is, man. This is the pool table, man. I am sorry for the mess. I am sorry for all of the weight, but this is it, man. This is the pool table. This is like a $1,200 pool table. Yeah, it's a $1,200 pool table. I just got in my office. I'm excited, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. You guys take it easy. God bless. Peace. Be safe. Later.